What's up everybody, I'm back with another video. Let's get today's profit from the market. So you see that there's a trend line. This is a fake out, pull back. You know, it's not a fake out anymore because it's pulled back to this broken range. Okay, so we are expecting for buys to enter. I go for 2 minutes because we might have a red candle, because you see that we have created this lower low. So the bulls, I was about to say bulls, the condition is with the sellers at this moment because we close right on this round number. So that's why I go for 2 minutes, just in case, to avoid any sort of a red candle, because I know that the market should go up, right? So I take this trade as a 2 minute trade. I know that this market's movement, based on the market structure, there was a trend there. All right, hold on. Okay, these are some bases, and look at this fake out, stopping out people. Okay, people after this candle, every single person in the world thinking that the market's going to keep dropping, but they stop out you, they make you lose a trade. And there's nothing wrong with the broker. This is the chart's characteristic. Okay, it comes up again and it dropped one more time. So every single person here, they think that okay, it's going to respect this and go up again, but it keeps dropping. Here as well, see that we broke this, it came area. For example, if we have a 5 minute trade, we would lose this trade and pull back to this area, and then it's trying to keep going up. So here we're creating this ABC. If we create this ABC, it means that the market's trend has been changed. All right, so this is the first trade. I hope you understand why we took this. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's a winning trade. Look at this rejection point. There's a very respected rejection point that every single time the market tries to reject from this area, if you draw the common point, it's going to be like this. And the next time, maybe the price gets rejected one more time. So if you find a reason to take a sell trade here, you can wait for the price come up and then take the trade. Let's see if we're going to have that opportunity. For example, after this candle, if the price comes up, there's not any reasons for taking a sell. But for example, if we have an engulf and we are expecting a retracement, and then the next candle comes up, you can't take this trade because we have a reason for taking that. All right, but this time I'm not taking that. All right, you know what? Let's just risk it. Let's just risk it. You know, I go with 50 here because it's a risky trade. I don't have any other reason to take the sell trade, and the market's strongly breaking that. You see, we might win this, we might lose this. This is not a safe trade to take. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's see, we might actually win this, but I don't mind if we lose this because it's not a good trade. All right, and yeah, you see that. Okay, let's just go. Let's go back to 100. Oh my god, look at this Doji. Oh my goodness, there was some crazy opportunities. This is the Doji range right here. The market's trying to range between these two resistance and support areas. So I missed this trade right here. This trade was amazing because it's closed right in this round number as well, and also previous time it was a very good seller's entry based on this double top. So it should be a very good reversal area. But if we break this Doji, I will probably take this trade, but this candle is super strong. But no problem, I will take this trade. 2-1, I hope. Let's go. I don't like this gap down. I hate gaps like this in my favorite trades. because they can change the outcome of the trade, but no problem. So you see that this is a range. the price is just moving between these ranges. What is this? This is a pattern, and based on the pattern's rule, it can have the retracement. So there's a possibility for having this candle as a red one based on the pattern. And then we got these strong sellers entries, they can trigger it again. All right, plus we're breaking a doji, and you see that the breaking dojis have, you know, coming back to the range, because dojis are strong candles, and you might think that this is a doji and this is a weak and indecision candle, but this indecision candle is pretty strong, and the range it creates is very strong. Look at this, for example, you know, this area full of buyers. If I lose this trade, I'll be very mad, bro. Okay, thank God. What is this rejection? Oh my goodness. Alright, so I was expecting this candle to break this. Since there's full of buyers, the next candle should be go up like crazy, and I would take that. But unfortunately it got rejected, and it didn't. So let's just move on. I will just take a couple more trades. Buyers entry, buyers entry, buyers entry. Let's connect the buyers entries. Alright. You could count on this one. You know why? Can you say why? Look at this beautiful doji. We broke this doji, right? And then this is a buyer's entry, creating engulf. When you have buyer's entries, starting with this engulf, you can count on the third one. This is a third touch. This is pretty strong. This candle closed right here, broke this doji. We have a couple of reasons to take this buy trade, alright? But this fourth time, we cannot trust that. And in previous time also, we started from the doji. So it's pretty similar condition right here. You see that. This was one of the very good trades. I go with the buyers here for the next candle. I'm expecting, you know, I entered pretty early, okay, but I increase this one for 1 minute and I go with the buyers. This is a very good uptrend. This is a very good and healthy uptrend. You can clearly see this is uptrend. And then we got this demand area, and then again ABC. ABC is sign of uptrend. When you see ABC, it's a trend. And it's, yeah, like for example, if you're having ABC, these areas are pretty good demand areas. Alright, so if the price comes down here, it can bounce up again. And this trade right here is combined with this demand and this demand. So I'm expecting this to get rejected, please. Yeah, it seems that it's coming down, and that's pretty unfortunate. The trade is, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the trend, the trade. Yeah, we lost this one, no problem. Let's just take one more. I think the next candle should go up at least because of this. And the trade was not a bad trade, all right? So I don't regret taking that trade. That was a good trade. But that was just unlucky, and it happens. And also don't consider this one as a revenge trade, all right? Because it happens, you know. It didn't respect this one, it will respect this one. So let's see the result. You know, another reason for taking this buy trade right here was the market sequence. If you look at these candles, you will not see more than 2 consecutive red candles. Okay, 2 consecutive, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then I thought this might be the case, that this is like the previous time. All right, then we got, we will have this. So I combined this with this and this, but it didn't work. So no problem. We made it up on the next trade. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me. You can join the Telegram channel. I don't send signals yet, but I post pretty good stuff. If you want to, you can join. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.